If you've been hearing about AI agents, autonomous systems, and multi agent architectures, but aren't sure how to actually build them, this program is designed for you. Over the next 52 weeks, you'll go from understanding the fundamentals of agentic AI to building production ready systems that can reason, plan, take action, and operate in real world environments. Hi, this is Vivian Arana, founder and instructor at School of AI. This isn't just theory, it's a hands on structured journey to help you design, build, and deploy intelligent systems that actually work. We start with the foundations because understanding how agentic AI works is critical before you build anything complex. You'll learn what makes agentic AI different from traditional AI systems, especially how agents can reason, plan, and take actions instead of just generating outputs. We'll break down the core building blocks: large language models, tools, memory systems, and execution loops, and show how they all fit together. You'll also learn prompt engineering specifically for agents, which is very different from basic prompting. From there, you'll design your first single agent systems and understand how planning and feedback loops work in practice. By the end of this phase, you won't just understand agents, you'll have built your first working autonomous AI system. Once the foundations are clear, we move into building more advanced systems that operate in real world environments. You'll learn how agents use tools and APIs to interact with external systems. This is where AI becomes truly powerful. We'll go deep into memory systems, including short term memory, long term memory, and vector databases like Fayus and Chroma. You'll also build retrieval augmented generation pipelines, enabling agents to use external knowledge effectively. From there, we move into multi agent systems, where multiple agents collaborate using patterns like planner executor and manager worker. You'll also work with modern frameworks like LangGraph, CrewAI, and AutoGen to orchestrate these systems. By the end, you'll be building scalable, collaborative AI systems, not just standalone agents. Finally, we focus on what most courses don't: taking these systems into production. You'll learn how to deploy agents using Fast API, Docker, and cloud platforms, and how to design infrastructure that can scale. We'll cover observability, monitoring, and evaluation, so you can measure how your systems perform in real world scenarios. You'll also implement guardrails and security systems to ensure your agents behave safely and reliably. On top of that, we'll introduce AI governance frameworks like NIST and the EU AI Act, so your systems are enterprise ready. We'll also cover cost optimization and performance scaling, which are critical in production environments. By the end, you'll have built multiple portfolio ready AI systems that you can deploy, showcase, or turn into real products.